Hey, it's Iron Mini Lover here, and I'm going to do I'm just going to show you what's in my toolbox. Okay, let's open the top part up. I have right here, spring to spider, bolts to spider, cocking pin, I think a rammer, I'm not sure what that is, knife, another spring, tanko rings, macroline, and a screwdriver head, which needs to actually go on the bottom. Go to the bottom here. Alright, no. Not another knife. Battery door to a halo. Screwdriver. Allen key. More Allen keys. The rest are in my mini box. Q-tips, clean out parts on my guns, and well, yeah, that's pretty much it. The rest of my parts and my lube and everything is in my mini box. Yeah, I just have a plano box, invert sticker, and one big invert sticker. Yeah, I like invert and empire. Well, yeah, thanks for watching this video, and subscribe and watch all my other videos. Thanks.